Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Medicare Beneficiary Identifier, MBI, and name-to-number converter tool. When you call the Interactive Voice Response, IVR, system or customer support, you'll be prompted to enter both the beneficiary's name and their MBI using your telephone keypad. This tool makes it easy by converting the letters and numbers so you can enter everything correctly the first time. Here's how to find the tool. 1. Go to www.cgsmedicare.com. 2. Choose your contract. For this demo, I'll select JC. 3. On the left side, scroll down to Tools and Calculators and click it. 4. From the list, select MBI Converter Tool. To convert an MBI, just type the beneficiary's Medicare number in the MBI box. For this demo, we are using a fake MBI. You'll see a sequence of numbers and stars. That's exactly what you'll enter on your telephone keypad. If you want to know how each letter converts, click View Keypad Sequence for all alphabetic letters. You'll get a full chart showing the keypad sequence for every letter. For example, letter E converts to star 3, 2. You can also convert the beneficiary's name. Just enter the first letter of their first name plus the first 6 letters of their last name in the Enter Name box. The tool will display exactly what you need to enter when you call. If you want to see some examples of how this tool works, just click View Examples. We hope the MBI and name-to-number converter tool make your experience easier when you're contacting the IVR or customer service. If this tutorial has helped you, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell for notifications. Thanks for watching.